In this video, we will figure out trig reduction identities. Look at the A. We have a cotangent theta minus pi over 2. For cotangent, we will change into cosine over sine. So we have cosine theta minus pi over 2. Then sine theta minus pi over 2. We will use these two compound angle identities. For sine, we will do SC plus or minus CS. For cosine, we will do CC minus plus SS. So for this cosine, we know it will be CC plus SS. The sign will be different. For this sign, we will do SC minus CS. We will expand now. You have cosine theta, cosine pi over 2 plus sine theta, sine pi over 2. Look at the denominator. We have a sine theta cosine pi over 2 minus cosine theta times sine pi over 2. Let's recall this unit circle. Coordinate will be 1, 0, 0, negative 1, 0, 0, 0, negative 1, undefined, 0, 1, undefined. And we do know the angle. This is a 0 pi over 2. Here's pi. 3 pi over 2 and 2 pi. So this will be CST. For pi over 2, cosine pi over 2 equals 0. Cosine pi over 2, this is 0. Sine pi over 2, that is 1. So we plug in values, you will get this. This will be 0, so you don't have to write. Then sine theta times 1 will be sine theta. Here, this will be 0 and negative cosine theta. So your answer will be negative tangent theta. Let's go to B. Sine negative theta minus 3 pi over 2. When both is negative here, you will try to get the coterminal angle by adding or subtract 2 pi times n. For negative 3 pi over 2, we just need to add 2 pi. So we will get sine negative theta plus 2 pi minus 3 pi over 2. You will get sine negative theta plus pi over 2. Then we will write down this way. Pi over 2 minus theta. Then we will use this formula to figure out. For sine, you will have SC minus CS. So you will get sine pi over 2 cosine theta minus cosine pi over 2 sine theta. Cosine pi over 2 is 0. Sine pi over 2, that is 1. So you get cosine theta. This is gone because it's a 0. This will be your answer. For tangent, negative 3 pi minus theta. Same thing, we need to change this into coterminal angle between 0 to 2 pi. For negative 3 pi, we need to add 4 pi. Remember, you need to add even pi because it's plus or minus 2 pi times n to get coterminal angle. So we get tangent negative 3 pi plus 4 pi, then minus theta. We will get tangent pi minus theta. We will change tangent into sine pi minus theta over cosine pi minus theta. For sine, you will do SC minus CS. For cosine, you will do CC plus SS. So you get sine pi cosine theta minus cosine pi sine theta. For denominator, you will have cosine pi cosine theta plus sine pi sine theta. For the pi, you could say this is a CST. So cosine pi equals negative 1, sine pi equals 0. This is 0. This is negative 1. This is negative 1. Here is a 0. If it's 0, definitely it's gone. So you get negative negative is positive sine theta. For here, negative cosine theta. So you get the negative tangent theta.